Welcome guys to the Jet Janex. Today we are going to calculate the percentage of year completed and remaining. Okay. Sometime we need to calculate the percentage of year which elapsed or the percentage of year which is remaining. Okay. And here I have an example. Just ignore this project, okay? We are not talking about the project, we are talking about the years. And let me change it to the year, okay? Yes, now it's okay, year. Okay, so this is the starting date, and the starting date is 1st January 2012. Okay, and the year, for example, we have the end date for a project or for something else, like we can say for a project or for a simple task. Okay, that is 30th March 2012. Okay, and we are interested to calculate how much percentage of the year the days between these two days represents. Okay, these are the two dates. Okay, 1st January and the 30th March. Okay, we are interested in calculating the percentage of year that the days between these two dates represents. Okay, so how are we going to do it? Just press the equal sign, okay, and type year year fraction, okay, and start date, okay, comma, the closing date, and close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, now you can see it says 25%. Okay, from 1st January 2012 to 30th March 2012, the time span from this date to this date represent 25% of the year. Okay, and if you want to see the remaining year after this, you can just type 1 minus year fraction. Okay, uh, yes, this one, and now start and comma close and close the parenthesis, okay, and press enter. Oh, sorry guys, because this is the date here. You see, you have to change it to the journal format, and then yes, 75%. Okay, make it. You see, now it says that days, sorry, percentage of year from this date from 1st January to the 30th March is 25% of the year, and the remaining is 75% of the year. Okay, and if you want me, let me show you something else. Okay, for example, these are the 3 months. Okay, almost the 3 months, and 3 months represent the 25% of the year. Okay, now let me change it, make it June. Okay, the June, and press enter. You see, these are the from the very first day of the year to the 30th June represent 50% of the year. And you can see here it says that from 1st January to the 30th June 2012, this time span represent the 50% of the year. And let's assume now, if I want to change the dates into something a bit complex thing, let me write 19, and here I will just type the July, okay, and press enter. If you can see, now it has 55%. Okay, and if you want to see the exact figure, that is 55%. Okay, 55% it represent, yeah, which means 55% of the year from 1st January to 19 July 2012. The time span is equivalent to 55% of the year. Okay guys, so this is how you can calculate the percentage of year elapsed or the percentage of year remaining. I hope it helps and you got it. So please like and share our videos with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for the more upcoming videos. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.